All right, everyone, we are back in the Stahls booth, and it is crazy busy going on, but I want to take you back here because we got the OG, Josh Ellsworth, is right here at our 360 IQ, and you got a little demo for us to show right now, huh?
Yeah, got an exciting product to show you. It's called Liquid 3D. This is the industry's first 3D printed dimensional patch, absolutely no minimums, no setup fees, very quick, very easy to customize. Let's show you here on the Hotronix 360 IQ. First, I've loaded the press with a very special attachment called the Quick Snap. It just goes down right on the 360 IQ because we're heating from the bottom and the top, of course, to get good application. I'm gonna flip my sweatband out, load my cap in, and lock down the hold down device. Now with that hold down device locked down, I'm getting that nice and tight, and I'm ready to bring in my Liquid 3D patch. Now this is a dimensional patch, literally print on demand, quantities of one. You can do multiple layers. You can do full color, and it comes to you just like this. And so it's very easy to receive the patch. It has our Stahls adhesive on the back to make the permanent adhesion to the hat. I position it into place, hold it there for just a second. It'll stay in place. Cover it with my foam cover pad, and then we're gonna lock the press down. So we're at 280 degrees on top, 320 degrees on bottom. We lock it down for 30 seconds. We're at a nice medium to firm pressure on the machine, and when it's done, it's gonna auto open. So the only thing better than one 360 IQ is two. We can double our throughput with the same operator. I could be loading another machine, pressing another Liquid 3D patch right beside it.
All right, quick question for you. So where do you see this fitting into the current flex style and dimensional product lineup?
Yeah, we sell a ton of dimensional patches and emblems, leather, embroidery, flex style, etc. This changes the game because you can do exactly the quantity you need down to as little as one piece.
Wow.
Right? Also, think about this. We've built a 3D design space so you can bring this logo in and you can actually add the dimension to it in real time. So you're able to create looks that you can't create with the other products. And that's really neat with what you can do, and we'll show you that designer.
This is a product you could buy on Stahls Fulfill Engine right now, already decorated, but we're coming out with loose patches soon, right? When can we expect that?
Very soon. Happy Valentine's Day, Vince, because it's February 13th, just in time for you to design something for your sweetheart.
I can't wait. I cannot wait.
All right.
All right, well, Josh, I think the next step is to go see how we design these on the Liquid 3D Designer. So you want to take us over and give us a little demo?
That part's exciting. Let's go.
All right, let's hit it.
So we're over here at the Liquid 3D Designer. What's great about this is it's purpose-built for the product. So you import your vector PDF into the designer, and then you're designing in a three-dimensional space. So this is a designer by Stahls where you can rotate the graphic all the way around to see the dimension in real time. And that's what's so special about this process is I can create the exact dimension I want. I'm gonna select the white layer inside of the text. Then I'll go over to the right side here, and I can change the thickness on demand. So in this case, I'm gonna make it 2.5 millimeters thick, and you can see it raising and lowering right within my graphic as I'm changing the dimension. Not only can you change dimension of every element of the graphic, but you can also apply textures. So in this case, I'll select the orange part of the design. I'll go over here into the textures. There's a basketball there, so let's look at our sports ball textures. There's tons of textures in here, and we'll apply the pebbles of a basketball to the design, and also be able to change the scale of the pebbles on the design, and so it's right size for my graphic. Not only that, you're able to set edge effects. So if I want to grab the blue layer around the outside, you know what, let's do a color change first. Let's make that purple, and let's go ahead and add an edge effect to it of a rounded edge. So watch close. You see the edge effect on the purple change to a rounded edge. Now when I look, you have nice rounding, clear around the edge, around the design. So again, Liquid 3D comes as one solid patch to you. We have fabric show through. Make sure you pick your favorite fabric color, whether that's black or white. At launch, both of these colors will be available. Add your elevation, add your texture, add your edge effects, and order. There's no waiting for proofs. You can move right to checkout on Stahls.com. It will be made at launch in 5 business days and shipped out to you. So not only is it nicer, it's faster, and it allows you to say yes to any size order.
And you know what my favorite part of that demo was? Is that this is something that anyone could do. You don't have to be like a 3D graphic designer or anything. I mean, that took like just
Are
a
you
couple
suggesting
seconds.
I don't have design skills, Vince? Is that what your favorite part was?
Not necessarily all I'm suggesting.
It can even make somebody like me a designer. That's what I heard, and that means you can do it too.
We started out with just a flat PDF, And using the AI assist, it automatically found layers in the design and created individual objects. So he can click on each individual part of the file and adjust it. You already saw him add the ball texture to the basketball part, but everything in that is customizable with the AI assist. So I just think it's super neat, and it's a game changer, honestly, because to be able to model 3D stuff like that, it's pretty cool, I think.
Yeah, it expands what's possible with a heat press, and I love that for our customers and decorators out there.
Yeah, for sure. Good to see you. Thanks, guys.